As people get older, changes in eyesight become more common. Blurry vision in the morning, dry or irritated eyes, trouble reading small text, or difficulty seeing clearly at night can happen to many adults. While aging is one reason, nutrition also plays an important role. The eyes rely on key vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats to stay healthy and function properly. During sleep, the body naturally repairs and restores many of its cells, including those in the eyes, providing the body with the right nutrients. Before bedtime may help support this natural repair process. Fortunately, many foods that support eye health are simple ingredients that can easily be included in everyday meals. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a compound your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision and helps the eyes adjust to low-light environments. Eating baked or steamed, sweet potatoes can help supply this nutrient and support overall eye function. Pairing them with a small amount of healthy fat, such as butter or coconut oil, can help the body absorb beta-carotene more effectively. Number 7. Wild salmon. Wild-caught salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. These healthy fats are important for maintaining the structure of the retina and supporting moisture in the eyes. Omega-3s may also help reduce dryness and inflammation that many older adults experience. Number 6. Goji berries. Goji berries have been used in traditional wellness practices for centuries. They contain antioxidants such as zeaxanthin, which helps protect the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for detailed vision. Even a small serving can contribute helpful nutrients that support long-term eye health. Number 5. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are one of the most absorbable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two important antioxidants for vision. These nutrients help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and support clarity and contrast sensitivity. Soft-cooked eggs are a simple way to add them to your diet. Number 4. Bilberries. Bilberries are dark berries rich in anthocyanins, plant compounds that may support circulation in the small blood vessels of the eyes. Good circulation is essential because it helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to retinal tissue. Number 3. Black currants. Black currants contain vitamin C and other beneficial compounds that support eye tissues and may help maintain healthy pressure inside the eye. Their strong antioxidant content also helps protect against cellular damage. Number 2. Saffron. Saffron, a golden spice used in many traditional cuisines, contains compounds such as crocin and quercetin. Researchers have studied these substances for their potential role in supporting retinal function and protecting eye cells from stress. Number 1. Raw cacao. Pure raw cacao is packed with flavonoids that help improve blood flow throughout the body, including to the eyes. Better circulation can help deliver oxygen and nutrients that support the health of eye tissues. Maintaining healthy eyesight involves many factors, including nutrition, sleep, and regular eye care. Adding nutrient-rich foods to your routine can be a helpful step toward supporting long-term vision. However, always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making major dietary changes, especially if you have existing medical conditions.